In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot to Asana in just a few minutes. Whether you're trying to streamline your workflow, boost productivity, or enhance team collaboration, integrating these two powerful tools can completely transform the way your business operates. So let's dive right in and walk through this easy integration step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot website. Once there, look toward the top right corner and click on the login button. Enter your credentials to sign in to your HubSpot account. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct workspace or account before starting the integration to avoid any confusion later. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. From here, find the marketplace icon, which looks like a small shopping bag. It's usually located in the main navigation bar on the left-hand side. Click on it. This will open the HubSpot app marketplace where you can find hundreds of integrations designed to expand your HubSpot functionality. Inside the marketplace, click on the app section. Then, in the search bar at the top, type Asana. This will filter the available integrations and show you the official Asana listing. Once it appears, click on it to open the app details page. Here, you'll see an overview of what the integration does, user reviews, and installation instructions. Now, go ahead and click the Install App or Connect App button. HubSpot will ask for permission to link your Asana account. Make sure you're signed in to your Asana account in another browser tab to make this process smoother. When prompted, grant the necessary permissions. This allows HubSpot and Asana to communicate securely with each other. Once the integration is installed, you'll be able to sync projects, tasks, and updates between the two platforms. For example, you can automatically create Asana tasks from HubSpot deals, contacts, or tickets, ensuring your marketing and sales teams stay aligned with your project managers. This connection helps teams save valuable time by reducing manual updates and keeping everyone informed in real time. With HubSpot handling your CRM and customer relationships and Asana managing tasks and deadlines, you'll create a seamless workflow that keeps projects moving forward efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully connected HubSpot to Asana. In just a few simple steps, you've unlocked a powerful integration that simplifies team collaboration, improves transparency, and enhances productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.